All right, guys, we got total 4 areas. Bedroom downstairs, this bedroom, which you can see we identified some urine. So we're gonna treat some urine today. We always pre-treat and predetermine any areas of concern. So in this case, we did a walkthrough and we determined that there was a spot right here. See that, guys? That's urine. So we're gonna treat that today. And we looked in here, we got this area here, this bedroom. And we determined that the culprit, which is the doggy, had an accident right there. See that? That's urine. Big old spot there. So look at that, guys. We're gonna treat that and get taken care of. She said that was the husband's side. And then for more inspection. Again, you can't clean urine, you gotta treat it. And we're gonna treat it today. A little bit right there, as you guys can see that? And we'll get it back to the original state. And all is well. So we got 3 areas we're gonna treat, plus 4 areas of carpet. And then we're going to work on the shower, which is in here. Get the calcium and mold mildew removed, which is common with the hard water deposits. See that, guys? Just hard deposits. It is common. So we're gonna get that taken care of for them today. Then we're gonna clean the floor, clean this floor, and seal it. And then do the downstairs dining room as well as the bathroom down there as well. So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it. All is well. Pretty view of the lake over there. This is Scott. So, hey, everybody.
How's it going?
He's helped me today.
He'll be get this carpet nice and cleaned up for the customer. It's going to be an A1 day.
That's right. He's going to be with me a couple of days, as well as you'll see him in the future. He has some experience doing this with me over the years. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today is Thursday the 21st. We are in Waterloo, Illinois today. We're doing some carpet and some tile and grout cleaning, as well as a shower cleaning to get rid of the soap scum, mildew, mold, calcium buildup, things like that from hard water. And then we're gonna clean 4 areas of carpet, including the hallway. We're gonna treat a couple areas of concern for pet contamination, and then we're going to clean the tile and grout and seal it. And this client is very excited. She was a referral from one of the chamber executives, Chris. So Chris, shout out to you from the beautiful Waterloo Chamber, and also another friend, Bethany Prongy. So thank you, Bethany, for that as well. And guys, she's excited. So she's supporting local, and she loves what we can provide. So that's what we're doing. I got a special guest today. His name is Scott. He's assisting me today, and we're gonna do it to it. Stay tuned. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we're steaming out the second bedroom now. You see, it's finding very, very good. 230 degrees. Getting that one urine spot out. Sanitizing the fibers simultaneously. Beautiful, beautiful. The little window indicates the residue's gone, but looking good. As you can see, we already did that area behind us. The bedroom right there, back in there. Then we're gonna do this bedroom. And looking good, guys. You see that steam coming out, sanitizing the fibers. Hey, let's go. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got completed doing this, and that's a wrap. On to the tile. Hey, let's go. We have this kind of tile shower problem. Lime scale, calcium, mildew, mold. Give AO a call. We got you covered. This is before. All right, guys, you can see we got this shower real good. We've already got that wall. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. And now working on this, as you guys can see. Steaming it out. See that there, guys? Watch that.
In the heart of the Midwest, where the rivers flow,
Getting those outline
Cleaning's on the scene will make those floors glow. From St. Louis to Columbia,
AOCleaning.com.
we're on a mission.
Look at that, guys. See that?
Saving every square foot with the utmost ambition. Let's go, let's go. Restore it right. Hardwood tile, carpet will shine it bright. Before you floor, give us a call. AOCleaning is the best. We'll handle it all. We're spinning the tales of restoration and care. From polishing stone to cleaning upholstery fair. Since 2003, we've been the name you trust. The choice of the Midwest, that's a must. Let's go, let's go. We'll restore it right. Hardwood now.
Alright guys, this is the after.
Carpet will
This is a
shine
lot.
bright.
Alright guys.
Before you floor.
Alright guys, we're doing the tile now. We got Scott agitating. And we're getting this tile and grout back to the original state.
So clean those vents and don't forget the
We already finished the shower upstairs.
We're
gonna let some product dwell on the floor to release the soap scum. And this is getting the soil suspended.
And more, just call us now.
Clean, hygienic floor is the #1 priority, besides making them look great again. And then a proper sealer.
Let's go. Let's
If I can afford to hire a company like AOCleaning, we got you covered. Look at that, guys. Night and day difference.
Jen.
Alright guys, just got done. Look how clean,
Gather round, folks.
pristine
Let
this
me
grout
tell
is.
you
You
a
saw how
story
dirty it was.
about AOCleaning.
Absolutely, look at that, guys.
In
Back to the
all
original
their
state. It's not
glory.
hygienic and clean. We're getting ready to seal it now. The guys, the homeowner, is blown away. Alright,
They've got the
we're a happy
trucks
client. Hey,
rolling
let's go.
through the Midwest land, saving your floors with a steady hand. Carpets and tiles, hardwood so fine. When it comes to their